So we already talked about the new changes coming to Instagram that were already announced. We know video is on a rise. We know we have to be creating videos starting now. And you've probably heard that the most reach right now comes from IG Reels. So you might be freaking out if you still don't have it. Well, let me let you in on a little secret. I don't have it either. I started recording little segments of videos last year when it first launched, and I would show up every week that I'm usually filming for YouTube, and I would say, hey, I still don't have it, because I thought maybe after 1 month I would have it. Guess what? It's been a year and I still don't have it. Yet, I found a hack. Let me show you. Okay, so as you can see right now, we are on my profile, and from the home page, you can see how I have the little Reels button here on the side. But if you look at the bottom, at the plus sign, I still don't have it there. I can still automatically just open that and post a normal post, how it was from the previous Instagram design. And yes, I've updated. Yes, I've contacted Instagram. I honestly don't know why I still have it this way, but I'm using it to my advantage. So as you can see, I have Reels that I've already posted here. They just don't show up on my normal profile, even though I obviously have the post preview turned on. I'm not sure why this is happening. Of course, I think it's because I just can't see Reels in general. Even when somebody else posts them, I just see it as like the normal post size. I know Instagram has been glitchy lately, so it might be that. But here's the trick in what I do so I can post a reel even when I don't have the button, because if I go here at the top, you can see that I can't post it straight from there. I have to do this little secret way. Are you ready? Okay. So I go onto my Reels and I open up on any recent one that I've already created. There's so many options, so all right. And then if you see this little camera button at the top right-hand corner, you click on it and voila, there you have the window to post a reel. So you can create it obviously from the platform, or you can just upload a reel from the bottom right-hand corner. You can add music, you can add effects, all the controls are in here. What doesn't work is that button to go through, and I know a lot of people also experience this, so now you'll be able to do it, and of course, post those reels so you can increase your engagement, so you can get more views. And like I shared inside this video about all of Instagram's changes, you know that mobile first videos are going to be thriving. So you want to make sure that you start today, because your excuse was probably that you didn't have the button. Well, now you have it. But wait, if you're saying, Laura, I haven't even posted one reel, how can I find that camera button? Don't worry, of course I wasn't gonna leave you without a hack. So you basically open up any other Instagram account. In this case, I'm going to open up our agency's Instagram account, and you see how the agency has the Reels button, right? So I'm on here on Reels, I'm just waiting for it to load, and you can see how I can normally just scroll down, how anybody who does have Reels sees it. So here's the little trick. You're going to hold down the button and you're going to switch back to your account, and voila, it's going to stay open, and you're basically going to have the normal Reels homepage that if you're like me and you don't have the button, you were never able to get to in the past. With that, you can watch other people's Reels. You can go to that same camera button at the top right-hand corner. You can click on it, you can open up Reels, and you can create your own reel. So this is the ultimate hack. And remember, if you want to learn all the right dimensions for Instagram, if you want to get clear on strategy for captions, hashtags, and much more, you cannot miss out, and you have to grab the free Instagram blueprint, which I'm going to link down below. It gives you the 411 on everything Instagram that you need to know. So there you have it, friends. So let me know in the comments if you're as happy as I was when I found it, because obviously a long time had passed without Reels, and you've probably been missing it as much as I have. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and I'll see you right back here on this same channel for more Instagram tips and content tricks on how to build the business of your dreams. Bye-bye.